Gabriel synthesis, and this is the mechanism how the Gabriel synthesis happens. It seems very complex and like that, but actually it is not. It's very simple. So first we will understand what is the Gabriel synthesis. Gabriel synthesis is the synthesis where the primary amine is prepared, RNH2, and for the synthesis we required some reagents. One of the reagent is alkyl halide. So what is happening actually here? If you see, we have to take thaliamide first. I mean, in this reaction, thaliamide is also used. And if you see this OH minus, you will easily understand means we have to take strong base also. So thaliamide and strong base initially reacts. If you see thaliamide structure, this hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. Why it is acidic hydrogen? Because it is connected with two carbonyl groups which are electron withdrawing. So making this nitrogen hydrogen bond polar. So this OH minus easily abstracts H plus from here. Electron will be retained by the nitrogen which will be shared with the carbon. Here carbon is already having 4 valencies, so when it is sharing electron, this pi bond will be broken, electron will shift on the oxygen because oxygen is electronegative. So what is happening in short is that this is taking hydrogen, water is forming, the electrons are shifting here and these electrons are shifting on the oxygen. So oxygen is acquiring negative charge. This carbon as it is, double bond is formed here, the hydrogen is lost. Okay, so this is the anion is formed. Now if you see this oxygen which is having negative charge, it can again share its electron with the carbon. Double bond can be formed. Already 4 valencies, so pi bond will be broken. Nitrogen electron will shift towards nitrogen, and negative charge nitrogen can easily attack on this carbon alkyl group. Why? Because it is connected with halogen, which is electron withdrawing. So in short, this is negatively charged and this is positively charged, electron deficient or delta positive charge. So bond, double bond is formed, right? This bond is broken, nitrogen is forming bond with the alkyl, and both the electrons are going towards halogen, so halogen acquires negative charge. So this is the next structure. After this, the role comes of hydrazine, NH2 NH2. So in this reaction we required hydrazine also. If you say NH2 NH2, both the nitrogens are similar. You can consider any nitrogen, and nitrogens are having lone pair of electron which can attack on this carbonyl carbon which is electron deficient, and the same thing happen. Electrons will shift on the oxygen, oxygen negative, NH2 is connected to this carbon. Now nitrogen is having 4 valency, lone pair of electron is used to form a bond here, so it will acquire positive charge. Oxygen negative charge, nitrogen positive charge. Now this cannot remain like this forever. So again electron will be shifted between this oxygen and carbon, double bond will form. And if you see here is 4 valency already, so one of the bond is going to break. So this carbon nitrogen bond will be broken, electron will shift on the nitrogen. So nitrogen negative, and this CO as it is, nitrogen negative, alkyl group as it is. And here is double bond, C double bond O, and this NH2, NH2 nitrogen positively charged because it is having 4 valency. As you can easily understand, this H plus will be broken from nitrogen and it will be accepted by this negatively charged nitrogen. So next structure is this, everything is similar, NH2, instead of that here is NH, hydrogen is connected here to this nitrogen. Again the same thing, that lone pair of electron that will attack on carbonyl carbon, electron will shift on the oxygen, oxygen will acquire negative charge, this nitrogen is connected, nitrogen is having now 4 valencies, so it will have positive charge here, right? So cyclization happen here. Again redistribution of electrons, double bond between oxygen and carbon. Again the bond will be broken because 4 valence is there, so this is breaking, And if you see this is breaking, negative charge is present on the nitrogen. The negative charge develops on the nitrogen. And here nitrogen 4 valency positive charge. So hydrogen will be broken. It will be connected to this nitrogen. So NH2, RNH2. And this will be C double bond O, NH, H is connected here. So NH, NH. It's a phthalate hydrazine. And primary amine. So this is the reaction where alkyl halide converts to primary amine, and this is called Gabriel synthesis.